2 cubed times 7 squared times 37 to the 4th power. What's about the product of all factors of n? So, from the questions theme, we know that the prime factorization of n is 2 cubed times 7 squared times 37 to the 4th power. And we want to find the value of the product of all factors of n. And that product must be in terms of n, since all alternatives are in terms of n. So, first of all, we will try with small numbers in order to find a pattern. What if n is number 2? If n is 2, the factors of n are 1 and 2, and the product of factors is 2. In other words, is equal to n to the 1st power. Now, what if n is now 6? Is 6. If n is 6, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now, the product is equal to 36. 36 is 6 squared. In terms of n squared. Now, let's try with another number. For instance, 18. If n is 18, its factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And the product is 1 times 2 times 3 times 6 times 9 times 18. So, what is the product in terms of 18? So, in terms of 18, the product is, here we have 18, and here we have another 18, 3 times 18. 18 cubed. In other words, n cubed. So, I guess that's enough. And note that n is always raised to half the number of factors of n. For instance, here n has just 2 factors, and n is raised to half the number of factors. Here the same, n has only 4 factors when n is 6. And here n is again raised to half the number of factors. When n is 18, it's kind of the same. 18 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. And here n is again raised to half the number of factors. So, that's the pattern. You always raise n to half the number of factors. So, since we have the prime factorization of n, we can find the number of factors of n by the following formula. The number of factors is equal to, first we will add 1 unit to each of the exponents. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and 4 plus 1. Next, we will multiply all the numbers. You have 4 times 3 times 5, and that is 60. N has 60 factors. So, since n has 60 factors, then the value of the product of all factors of n must be n raised to half its number of factors. n to the third power. Choice A is correct.